From die casting news, here's your update. A massive reset is happening in the global foundry industry right now, and it's changing everything. Today, we're breaking down what this shift means for your operations. You see, in India, one of the world's major foundry hubs is facing two huge pressures at once: electrification and sustainability. This is forcing a fundamental reset of their entire industry, and it offers some really critical lessons for the rest of the supply chain. So, for every plant manager and engineer watching, the changes happening there are a preview of what's to come. What are the key takeaways for your facility? Okay, let's dive in. First up, the electric vehicle demand shift. This isn't just about new cars, it's about a structural change in the materials we use, moving away from traditional ferrous metals and straight into aluminum. Think about it. The old internal combustion engine was loaded with ferrous castings. As that technology fades, so does the demand for those parts. EVs, on the other hand, require a whole new set of components. We're talking motor housings, inverter casings, and battery structural parts. And what are they made of? Aluminum and other lightweight alloys. It's a massive shift. And the industry leaders, they are not waiting around. Companies like Brakes India, Sundram Clayton, and Craftsman Automation are already expanding their high and low pressure aluminium die casting capacities, and it's paying off. They're already seeing a rise in orders directly linked to the EV market. Okay, so that's the EV shift. The second huge force reshaping the industry is the mandate for green castings. Let's be clear, sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It has become a core market driver. So what does green casting actually mean in practice? Well, it's about eliminating toxic chemicals, minimizing the use of resources, enabling recycling and reuse, and even adopting eco-friendly packaging. It's a total process overhaul. V. Balakrishnan of Bricks India really nails it. He says, quote, "Foundry operations lend themselves to circular economy practices through responsible sourcing and recycling. It's all about building that circularity right into the process." And this isn't just theory, it's happening right now. In the major foundry hub of Coimbatore, India, many of the exporting units have already shifted nearly 75% of their energy consumption to renewables. That's a huge move. And here's the crucial point for your plant. This is a real supply chain requirement. Major OEMs like the Volvo Group are now actively sourcing these fossil-free green castings. If you want their business, you have to meet this standard. All right. Our final point today brings these two big trends together. It's all about chasing global scale and the race to fill a growing capacity gap in the market. A huge opportunity is opening up. For years, global foundry capacity has been shifting away from traditional bases in Europe, Japan, and Korea, first to China, and now we're seeing another shift toward India and other emerging hubs. But just look at the scale of this. China currently supplies around half of the world's aluminum castings. Compare that to India, which accounts for just 5%. That's a significant gap and a major opportunity for growth for anyone who can step up. Now, this capacity gap didn't happen overnight. In automotive aluminum alone, India has about 1/10 of China's capacity. This is largely the result of decades of limited capital investment compared to the state-backed support that fueled China's massive expansion. So, after covering the EV shift, the green mandate, and the global capacity race, what does this all actually mean for your operations? Let's summarize the key takeaways from this foundry reset. Here are the 4 strategic imperatives. 1. Prioritize the shift to aluminum and lightweight alloys. 2. Integrate sustainability and green processes deep into your core operations. 3. Prepare for major realignments in the global supply chain. And finally, 4. Invest in the technology and the skills needed to compete on a global scale. This brings us to the final critical question. When you look at these massive shifts in materials, sustainability, and global capacity, is your facility ready for the reset? The future of this industry will be defined by those who are. That's our report for today. For the latest industry intelligence that impacts your business, be sure to follow Die Casting News.